So if you check this particular screen recording right now, this is how much I earn every given day just by teaching my own local language and English in the online space just for 50 minutes. Okay, you too can do it, and this is one of the reasons for creating this particular video. You don't need qualification, you don't need certificates to start. As far as you reside in English speaking country, you can do it. Okay, you can teach Igbo, you can teach Hausa, any language at all. You can even teach Mozambique, Portuguese, French, any of your language. Okay, people are willing to learn. Yes, and these are the payments made by my students in the online space. You can see $5, $4, $4.98, etc. You can choose any hour or minute you want to teach, either 1 hour or 50 minutes. Like myself, I choose 50 minutes, and you are the one to best how much your students will pay you. You can pay $5, $10, $8, $9, any amount at all. Like myself, I'm charging $5. That's why you see all this $5 here. Okay, you can pay higher. I'm going to show you in this particular video how to start, the apps you need, the tools you need, and finally how you're going to create your introduction video so that they will accept or approve you so fast. But remember, on this particular channel I share possible ways to make money online. I mean the ways that have worked for me. I will create videos so that you will also benefit as well. So click subscribe and turn on the notification bell to always get the video alert. Okay, so without wasting time, let's just divert to the main video. So here are the apps you need to teach your local language or teach English in the online space and get paid. Number one is Preply. So Preply. So this particular app Preply pays in dollar and you withdraw anytime you like. Okay, just by teaching in the online space. And the second one is Cramply. It works the same as Preply. And the third one is Tutor ABC. Yes, all these apps works the same. Some pays in euro, some pays in dollar, but I will tell you, if you want to apply, don't apply in one. You can apply in 3 or 2. Okay, because some will reject you, some will still accept you. So if this one reject you, this one will accept you. But if both of them accept you, then that is your luck. Okay. And another app that you also need as well is italki. Another app that you also need as well, that will also help you to teach English in the online space as well, is called English Ninja. Okay, so you can see the spelling. And another app that you also need as well is called Voxy. So these are the apps. Now, what are the tools you need to start? Remember, like I said earlier, you don't need certificates and you don't need any qualification at all. So the tools you need to start teaching your own local language and make money for yourself is just your smartphone or PC, iPad, anyone you have at all. Okay, all is acceptable. So now that you have know the apps and the tools you need to start, now here is how you will do your introduction video so that they will approve your profile so fast. Okay, remember that all these apps, none of them joke at all, so you have to be serious. And if you are doing your introduction video, turn your camera like this, not like this, like this, not like this. Okay, so this is how you will set your camera. So if you now set your camera like this, please, if you are doing your introduction video, be laughing. Okay, like smile, don't bone. So these are the things you are going to say. So one of the reasons for creating all these things is just to give you guideline to avoid mistake. Although I also created a Telegram group that will help you to give you more guide as well. So make sure you join the Telegram group. The link is in the video description. Okay, so now here is how you will present yourself and do your introduction video. Your introduction video can be just 1 minute, okay, or 60 seconds. Now dress well, yes, look neat, okay, and smile like I said earlier. Set your camera like this and not like this. Okay, so you will say something like this. For instance, hello dear students, nice to meet you. I'm Louis from South Africa. So you can use your own country as well. Okay, I just love to use South Africa because I love South Africa so much. I'm in Nigeria though. So let's just continue. Hello dear students, nice to meet you. I'm Louis from South Africa. I'm test certified with 5 years of experience teaching English. I have taught students of all levels, both kids and adults. I have a few hobbies which includes reading my books, watching movies, and taking my dogs for a walk. I believe with this experience gathered in all this field, I have all it takes to take your English to the next level. I'll be able to help you boost your vocabularies, correct your pronunciation, improve your listening skills, correct your grammars, and many more. Please go ahead and book a lesson with me. We will meet in class, discuss about your learning journey, see you in class. So this is how you will present your introduction video in the site. Remember, like I said earlier, you can apply in more than one app, okay, so that if these people reject you, these people will surely accept you, okay. The main purpose is for you to teach English and make money for yourself. And like I said earlier, you don't need qualification or certification at all. As far as you reside in an English speaking country, people are willing to learn your local language and English, or anyone you can speak as well, okay. Then you get paid. Now here is how some of these particular websites do work. You can choose any hour or minute you want to teach, either 1 hour or 50 minutes. Like myself, I choose 50 minutes, and you are the one to best how much your students will pay you. You can best $5, $10, $8, $9, any amount at all. Like myself, I'm charging $5. That's why you see all these $5 here, okay. You can best higher, okay, but I just want to continue. But I will tell you the truth, you have to start with lower price. Remember, there is a lot of competitors there. If you charge higher, people will skip you and proceed with people that charge lower. So I have already created some guide that will help you to do all these things. So if you are willing to learn, or you want to know more guide, just join our Telegram community to learn more in all these things. So if you also want to know the site that will help you to answer questions and get paid, I mean the survey site that will help you to answer simple questions and you get paid, check this particular video. Yes, in this particular video I explain everything you need to know. The link will also be in the video description. Good luck and do have a nice day. Be rich and righteous. Don't just be rich, but be rich and righteous. Make more money for yourself. Click subscribe for more videos like this. See you in next video.